Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. This is day 3 of the Christmas craft series and today I am making a Christmas pop-up card. For this I have taken red, white and green color paper. First take the green color paper and fold it as shown. Now take a ruler and mark at 7 cm. In the same way, mark the next point at 6 cm, then 5 cm, 4 cm, 3 and 2 centimeters, and we can cut along the marked points. Now take red and white color paper and glue the white paper on top of the red color paper as shown. Fold the card into half and then we can glue all the pieces that we have made earlier. The basic structure of the Christmas tree is now ready. You can see how beautifully it is popping out of the card. Now to decorate it, I have taken neon color paper. If you have yellow color paper, please do take it. I was short of yellow color paper, so I have used this. First I have made a small star and then I have also made a bigger star. We can now stick the star cutouts to the card. Then take brown color paper, fold as shown. and glue it to the card. Our pop-up Christmas tree is now ready. Now I have written Merry Christmas in a separate sheet of paper, and then I am going to stick this to the card using double-sided tape. Finally, I am drawing some small stars. And finally, our Christmas pop-up card is now ready. You can see how beautiful this looks. I hope you all liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.